Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to fix underexposed photos. So, let's get started. To begin our journey, start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Phosus.com. Whether you are a Phosus newbie or a seasoned pro, we've got you covered. For beginners, we recommend watching our detailed video guide titled Getting Started with Phosus. This guide will walk you through setting up your account seamlessly. If you're already a familiar user with this platform, simply log in to access your personalized dashboard. Once inside, find and click on the dashboard button, located conveniently in the upper right corner of your screen. Your dashboard is your gateway to a creative haven filled with a wide range of powerful image editing tools. To embark on the journey of brightening your photos, navigate to the left sidebar and select Tools. Alternatively, if you prefer a leisurely scroll, continue downward until you discover the feature we are eager to explore, Low Light Enhancement. With a click on Low Light Enhancement, you will enter the realm of image enhancement. Now, it's time to choose the photo you want to brighten. Phosus offers two user-friendly options. You can either upload your image with a simple click or streamline the process further by effortlessly dragging and dropping your chosen image into the designated area. Once you have selected your image, Phosus will take the reins, initiating the brightening process automatically. A key aspect to keep in mind is patience. The speed of this process depends on your internet connection. If you are blessed enough with high-speed internet, the transformation will happen in a blink of an eye. However, if your internet connection leans toward the slower side, don't fret. The exceptional results you will achieve are well worth a brief wait. And lo and behold, your image has undergone this art of masterpiece, a stunning transformation. Now, clean and ready for any creative endeavor. Take a moment to admire your photo's newfound clarity and brilliance. You'll be astounded by the detail that Photos brings out, even in the most challenging underexposed shots. But our journey isn't complete without one final step: downloading your enhanced masterpiece. A simple click on the download button will prompt Phosus to efficiently save your brightened image to your device. It is crucial to remember that each download consumes some credits, so use them thoughtfully. Enjoy your beautifully edited images and embrace the newfound freedom of creativity that Phosus offers. Before we conclude, let us explore some expert tips for achieving optimal results with Phosus. Firstly, ensure your original photo is the highest quality possible. Phosus thrives on high-resolution images. Secondly, don't hesitate to experiment with different enhancement settings to find the look that aligns with your artistic vision. Finally, consider employing Phosus' other potent tools to further refine your image, such as cropping, color correction, and more. Phosus is not just about brightening underexposed photos, it is a versatile tool that can take your image editing to new heights. Explore Phosus' other features like advanced retouching, artistic filters, and batch processing to expand your creative possibilities. That concludes our in-depth journey into the world of photo enhancement with Phosus. Whether you are a passionate photographer, a professional graphic designer, or someone who simply enjoys the art of image enhancement, Phosus is your key to unlocking the full potential of your photos. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials, advanced techniques, and tips as we continue to explore the limitless possibilities of image editing with Phosus. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive tutorial. Brighten up your world with Phosus and let your creativity shine. And see you in the next video.